In today's tutorial video, we are going to consider on how to solve an algebraic equation, another method of solving algebraic equation using Regula Falsi method. We have a question here. Find the real root of the equation x to the power of 3 minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0 using Regula Falsi method and correct up to 3 decimal. So this we have considered for our first method, which is bisection method and bracketing method. Here is what? Here's an algebraic equation. Same question. We have considered this. We have considered this algebraic equation using what? Using bracketing method or bisection method. So we want to use this is another what? Another method of what? Solving algebraic equation. Which is the same equation that we have considered before on what? On bisection method or bracketing method. So how can we now solve this? So we have a formula that was formula in solving algebraic equation while using what? Regula Falsi method. So for us to solve this, so we have Sn is equal to, for us to solve this, we have Sn is equal to A into, so for us to solve, we have Sn is equal to A f of b minus b f of a to the all over f of b minus f of a. Sn is equal to a f of b minus b f of a, f of b minus f of a. So for us to solve this, we have what? We have to what? We have to find a midpoint of this. The midpoint will now determine. So when we get our midpoint, that is where we have our positive and negative, or negative and positive. That is when we are doing our iteration. We determine our f of a and f of b. And what gives us that a? What gives us that b? We now have our f of a, f of b. So the value will not be a or b. So we have the function as f of x to the power of 3 minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. This is an algebraic equation or non-linear equation. A non-linear equation can be exponential, can be in form of this, or algebraic equation having a cubic. The highest power of this is cube, which is 3. So I can have f of s is equal to s to the power of 3 minus 2x minus 5. So I will be doing my iteration now. So for me to be doing my iteration, it means I will let at s is equal to 0, s is equal to 1, I will begin my iteration from 0. That is, let s to be 0 at s is equal to 0. So it means whenever I see 0, whenever I see x, I'm going to put 0. I will have f of 0, 0 to the power of 3 minus 2 into 0 minus 5. So it means 0 to the power of 3 is what? Is 0. 0 minus 2 times 0 is 0, then minus 5. So I have what? I have minus 5. So I'm going to test at my s is equal to 1. At s is equal to 1. So I'm going to have f of 1 is equal to 0 to the power of 3 minus 2. 1 to the power of 3 minus 1. Then minus 5. 1 to the power of 3 is what? 1. Minus 2 times 1 is minus 2. Then minus 5. 1 minus 2 minus 2, we have 1 minus 7, which shall give us minus 6. I cannot stop here. My iteration cannot stop here. Why? Because in doing my iteration, at my s equal to 0, I have negative value. In doing my iteration at s equal to 1, I have minus 6. It means is either I have negative and positive repeatedly. That is, it repeats. This one repeats. It repeats negative. This repeats the negative sign of this. The positive, the opposite sign of this is positive. So I take my midpoint, or positive, and the opposite of what? Positive is what? Negative. That is when I'm dealing with my iteration, my answer should give me negative, and my next iteration should give me positive. Or my answer should give me, my first iteration should give me positive, and my next iteration should give me what? Negative. You can see it gave me negative and negative. It means I will keep doing I will continue to be doing it until I get to my next value give me negative and the next give me what? Positive, or it gave me positive and what? Negative. So I'm going to do at s is equal to 1. At s is equal to 1. I'm going to at s is equal to 2. Say 1. So I'm going to have f of 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 into power of 2 minus 5. So 2 to the power of 3 is what? 8. 8 minus 4 minus 5. That's 8 minus 4 minus 5 is what? Minus 4 minus 5 minus 9. So I'm going to have what? 8 minus 9, which is minus 1. So I'm going to do at s is equal to 3. So I'm going to do at s is equal to 3. At s is equal to 3. So it means this function, I'm going to have f of s, which is what? F of 3 is equal to what? 3 is the power of 3 minus 2 minus 3 into 2, then minus 2 into 3 minus 2 into 3 and what? Minus 5. So 3 to the power of 3 is 27. Minus 6 minus 5, I have what? 27 minus 11, which give me what? 16. So you can say that this is negative, that is before my iteration at s equal to 3, which is what? F of 2, I have negative. So it means I must have what? My iteration has given me the opposite of negative is what? Positive, that is plus 16. So it means yes, I'm going to take at my midpoint. So it determines my midpoint. So what gives me negative and what? Positive is now determine my f of A and f of B. So A will come first, B will come second. Or if it is positive and the next is what? Negative. So my positive function will be what? A will come first, which should be A, and my negative function is B. Since this one is that comes first is negative and the next is positive, so it means this is A, and that is A is what? A is what? 2. F of A is what? Minus 11. That is B is what? B is 3. F of B is what? 16. So from here, I will now have. So what give me my negative? Why give me my iteration? I have what? I have FA, which is 2. So here we have F. This will be F of A, which means F of A is what? A is what? 2. So I'm going to have A is equal to 2. Then B here is what? 3. Then my F of A. So what give me F of A? This is what? I have what? Minus 1. Then I have F of B as what? 16. So I will now test for this at S is equal to 1. At N is equal to 1. It means whenever I see it, I post 1. I will do my first approximation. A was our A already. 2. F of B 16 minus what's our B? 3. F of A. What's my F of A? Minus 1. To the all over what? F of B. What's the F of B? Minus 16 minus F of A. What's my F of A? F of A is what? Minus 1. So I'm going to have minus 1. So it means 2 multiplied by 16, I'm going to have 32. Minus times minus plus 32 plus 3, I'm going to have 35. My S of 1 is what? 35 all over. Minus times minus plus 16 plus 1, 17. So my S of 1 will be 35 divided by 17. 35 divided by 17. So I have 2.0588. 2.05. 2.0588. 2.0588 is 23529. Just let me just stop it for what? So I have this 23529. So let me approximate to what? 2.0588 to 5 second figure. So what my next will to 4 decimal points. Let's say 4 decimal points. So I've gotten my what? S of what? First approximation. So I'll keep doing it until I get a repeated root. So I have to do for my S2 as well. So it means for me to do for my S2, so I have to get my what? F of A and F of B as well. So here, the function I have here, I'm going to put it there. So F of X already is what? X to the power of 3 minus 2x minus 5. So it means our x1 is what? F of x1. It means whenever I see x, I put x1. I'm going to have x1 to the power of 3 minus 2x1 minus 5. Same thing. So it means what do I have x1? I have 2.0588. So it means whenever I see x1, I put this. I'm going to have 2.0588 into power of 3 minus. So let me solve this. So I'm going to have 2.055 to the power of 3 minus 2 times 2.0588 minus 5. So I have minus 0.3. So it is what? It is what? It is an infinity. That is, the number is what? Infinity. That is, it is uncounted, that it is many. So I will just approximate to what? 4 decimal what? 4 decimal points. I'm just supposed to 4 decimal points. So I'm going to have minus 0.3911. So this is what I have. So this now will now determine my f of a, f of b. So it means what's given? This is f 2.0588. So what's giving this? It means what do I have here? I have negative. So it means I have to go to my what? To my last positive. So what's my last positive? My last positive f of what that give me positive following what? Following what? This is my last positive, which gives me 16. In physical science is positive. So I'm going to determine positive and negative. So for me to get my what? Midpoint. Where I'm going to get my what? The point of A and B. F of A, B, and A and B. So it means this is 16. So 16 fall on f of 3. So it means my f of 3 is what? It's one that comes first, that is plus and what? Negative. So be conscious when you are doing this. So you have to be checking the sign, the opposite of the sign. So you determine your points f of A, f of B, and A and B. So here is what? This is what? Positive. That is positive comes first. This is my last negative. That is positive. The last positive here and what? Negative, which is what? 16. So 16 for what? F of 3. So f of 3 is what? F of 3 give me 16. So it means A is what? So my f of 3, that is, here is what? 3, which is B. My f of B is what? 16. My f of B is 16. So my A that comes first, that is, this sign changes. It's one that comes first. So it means my A is what? My A is 3. So my B here, that give me negative, is this. This was 2.0588. Then my f of A, what's my f of A? That give me positive sign, which is 16. My f of B is what? 16. And then my f of B, that is f of B. I will just put B here. I have this minus 0.3911. So I will now consider at n is equal to 2. So it means I will now use this formula. I'm going to have s2 a f of b minus minus f of a. Since I have the formula already, I don't need to write it again. So at n is equal to 2. So I'm going to have Sn, which is what? S2 is equal to A f of B. So what's my here? 3. And what's my f of B? F of B is just what? Minus 0.3911. Then minus B. What's my B here? B is what? 2.0588 into what? F of A. What's my f of A? 16. Is 16. All over. What is my f of B? My f of B minus f of A. This one minus this. So I'm going to have f of B minus 0.3911 minus f of A, which is 16. So let us solve this. I'm going to have what? S2 plus 3 4 minus 34.1141 all over minus 16.3911. This is 3 minus 16 minus 16.39. So my S2 will not be. If we divide, what am I going to have? Minus 34.1141 divided by minus 16.3911. So I have 2.08125. Minus and minus will cancel. So my S2 is what? 2.0813 to 4 decimal place. So I've gotten my S2. So it means, what is my X1? My X1 is what? What do I have in X1? 2.0588. It's not repeated to this. This is not equal to this. So it means I have to do my next approximation at n is equal to 3. So for me to get at n is equal to 3, I have to plug this into that function we are given. So I'm going to have, this is f of s is what? 3 2 s raised to the power of 3 minus 2s minus 5. It means whenever I see x, I put s2. So we just have f of 2.05, 2.0813. So it means whenever I see s, I put what? This 2.0813 minus 2 into 2.08 minus 5. So if I solve this, what am I going to have? I have minus, my f of this gave me 0.813. It gave me minus 0.1468 minus 0.14680. What do I have here? I have negative. Since I have negative here, it means what? I have to go to my last positive. And my last positive is what? It's still on 16. Because my last positive is will give me what? 16. Because my last positive was 16, so I'm considered 16. So my f of a, so this is 16, which is this. So it means this is 16. So this is my last positive, that is positive, and the opposite of positive is what? Negative. So I'm going to have what? A as what? 3. So A is equal to 3, then B, so this is my B, 2.0813, then my f of A. So what's giving me f of A? That's 16. And what's giving me f of A? That is f of 3 give me what? 16. And then what? I'm going to have f of what? F of B, which is this. So f of this one minus 0.14680. So I will now did my what at n is equal to what? 3. I'm going to have s3 into is equal to, what's my A? F of B. So what's my f of B? This. According to the formula, minus B f of A. So what's my B? This is B, 2.0813 into, this is B f of A minus what? B. This is B f of what? F of A. So my f of A, this is what? Where is my B? So my B is what? ST is what? A f of B. So my f of B is what? This. Minus what? B minus what? B. What's my B? Then f of A, which is what? 16. 16. All over. So I'm going to stop at what? I'm going to have my what? F of B minus F of B minus F of A minus 0.14680 minus what? F of A, which is what? 16. So what am I going to have? So I'm going to have, when I'm applying, I have 33.7412 minus, so let me solve the denominator, minus 0.14680 minus 16. I have minus 16.1468. So if I divide, what am I going to have? I'm going to have minus 33.7412 divided by 16.1468. So I have minus 2.0896. I have minus 2.0896. So it means my S3 is what? My S3, that is my S3 is 2.0896, 2.0897. So I will just apply it to what? 1. So my S3 is what? 2.0897. So my S3. If you check S2, 2.0813 is not the same as what? S3. So I have to do for my what? Next approximation, which is what? At n is equal to 4. Fourth approximation. So you can make screenshots for this. So since I have my S3 as 2.0897, so I have my S3 as 2.0897. So what is my next? I have to plug in this into that function so that I can have my point for me to get what? So I have to get my what? For me to get my A and f of B, then f of B and what? F of A. So I'm going to have f of x, s to the power of 3 minus what? 2s minus 5. It means whenever I see x3, I put this, I'm going to have 2.0897 that I got from s of 3, power of 3, then minus 2.0897, then minus 5. So what am I going to have? So it means if I solve this, what am I going to have? So let's do it together. 2.0897 to the power of 3 minus 2 times 2.0897, then minus 5. I have minus 0.05400. So I got minus 0.05400. So it means I still have negative. So it means I will have to go back to my what? Last positive. So my last positive what? 16. F of x, the sign does not change. So I have to go back to what? My negative, my last positive, which is what? F of what? My last positive. That is positive and negative. This is negative. I have to go by my next positive, which is what? 16. That is when we have 16. When we have what? When we have 16, I've got bit of when we have 16, I have what? A has what? 3. So it means since this one is what? F of what? F of what? S3. So it means my F A is what? When I have 3. So my here is what? What give me S of 3? So it means my F of S3 is what? 2.0897 is equal to this. So 2.0897 is what? My B. So my B is what? 2.0897, comma. So my F of A, my last positive then is what? 16. Remember, all when I'm doing my F of 3 is having negative. Suppose if this one is positive, I have to go to my what? My last negative. And my last negative, which give me this, will not be this. My A will not be this. My F of A will not be this. But it's still negative. So I have to go back to my last positive, which is what? F of A is equal to what? F of 3 is equal to 16. So my A is 3, my F of A is equal to 16. So then my F of B, is this, minus 0.05400. So I have to test for my what? At n is equal to what? 4. So I'm going to have S4. Then remember A, F of B, what's my A? This is 3. F of B minus 0.05400. What next is what? A, F of B minus what? B, F of A. That is A, F of B minus what? B, F of A. So what I'm going to have? So I will have my B. So what my B? This is my B. This is my B. 2.0897. 2.0897. That is 2.0897. Then my F of A, which is what? 16. all over f of b minus f of a. So what's my f of b? Minus 0.05400 minus what? F of a, which is 16. So I'm going to have what? If I solve this, what am I going to have? So let's do it together. 3 times minus 3 into minus 0.05400 into the bracket minus 2.0897 times 16. So the numerator gave me minus 3.33 minus 33.597 all over. So let me solve my denominator. Minus 0.05400 minus 16. I have 16.054. So what is my S for? My S for that is my fourth approximation is this is minus 33.597 divided by minus 16.054. So I have 2.092. I have 2.092. So this will cancel. If you look at this, this is I have my S was 2.092, my S is as well 2.0897. So if we approximate this, the question is as what we should approximate. Let us approximate this to what? We have to approximate to what? So remember it is 5 significant figure 7. So the question is that we should approximate to what? 3 decimal points. So if I approximate that to this decimal point, I'm going to have 2.093. And if I approximate this one to what? 2.0897 to 3 decimal points, I'm going to have what? 089. So that is 90. So 2.093 and 2.090 is relatively close to each other. That is, the difference is 3. So it means I'm stopping here. Since I can get 2.09 and here is also what? 2.09. If I approximate this one to what? 2.09. So it means we have a repeated root in F on S3 and what? S4. So this will be my end of my approximation. So this is the solution to the problem. This is how to use Regula Falsi method to solve any algebraic equation or non-linear equation. I hope you find this interesting. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. God bless you all.